Today I'm teaching you and dear Ellie how to talk like a native American speaker using slang words. Without further ado, let's go. So Ellie, today I'm teaching you every slang expressions about food.
Good.
Yeah, my favorite topic. So let's grab some grub.
What does it mean?
Let's grab some grub. Grub means food. Yeah.
Let's grab some grub.
Yeah, let's eat means, yeah, let's grab some grub.
Let's grab some grub.
So when you want to say, hey, let's eat, but you want to sound like an American, you can say, let's grab some grub.
Let's grab some grub.
So what you want to eat right now?
Right now, some fruits, maybe.
Yes, okay, I know you're not going to just eat water. You're going to eat some food, but just what?
Fruit.
Fruit, okay. So what fruits? Like what kind of fruits? Like pineapple? Strawberries.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have strawberries
Apple.
right now.
And
Do we? Do we have
lemon lime.
lemon? Okay. Do we have strawberries right now?
Yeah. In
I
this
think-
season, there is some.
Yeah. If you like search for it, you can find anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I am just in the mood for pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yeah, I love pineapple and mango. We have different kind of mangoes, like African mango, like Brazilian mango, or I don't know, like other like Pakistani
they were
mangoes. I love Pakistani mangoes. Like they're the best.
Yeah.
They're sweet, they're yellow, and you can eat them like with the peel. Like you don't
Oh
need
my
to
God.
peel it off. Yeah, I love it. I mean, it's so sweet. Like
All kinds of
Pakistani
fruits
mangoes.
are great.
Yeah, and my favorite like appetizer and sometimes dessert is fruit salad. Yeah,
Great.
I had an ex-girlfriend also. She always just made me the best fruit salads ever. Yeah.
Fruit salads, vegetable salads. Salads are
No,
great.
not vegetable salad. Come on, it's
Why?
just disgusting.
It's great.
Ew. No, it's not
Oh.
great. Come on. But fruit salad, oh, it's the best. Yeah. Okay.
It is.
So let's grab some grub.
Let's grab some grub.
Yes. Time to chew down.
What?
Time to chew down.
Time
Chew
to chew
down
down.
means to eat enthusiastically.
Oh.
Yeah. You
Time
eat
to chew up.
like enthusiastically with passion. Like, hey,
You're so hungry.
yeah, like time to chew down.
You can kill for food.
Yeah, I can kill for food. Always. I can kill for food like every day. Like, okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's
so
time to chew
time
out.
to chew down.
To chew down.
Yes. Yeah, it's time to chew down actually. I have had lunch. And I also had my second lunch at 4 p.m. So I ate two lunches.
Good for you.
So yeah, two lunch. And I eat two dinner. And I eat two breakfast.
breakfasts.
Yeah, also. I mean, I want food always. But yeah, I eat 6 or 7 times a day.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah.
So why you're so skinny?
It's my genetics.
Oh, it's your genetic. Okay. But yeah, sometimes I eat like 7 a.m.,
Yeah.
4 a.m. Junk food. I eat junk foods. Yeah.
Me too.
But I don't work out, but I have great genetic as well. But if I didn't, I would be like this. So yeah, good genetics it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yesterday I picked out at the buffet.
Picked out?
Yeah,
at
I-
the buffet?
Picked out. Pick out means eat a lot. So in American English, when you want to say, I ate a lot, say, I picked out.
I picked out.
Yeah, I picked out at the buffet, so I can't breathe right now. Yeah, I picked out. I want to sneeze. No, it went. No, okay. So yeah, I peeked out.
I picked out.
Yeah. Yesterday I ate the best burger ever. I mean, num num.
Num num.
Yeah, num num. When you want to say
It's
that,
yummy.
yeah, when you want to say it's yummy,
Num
you
num.
say, num num. Yeah, like it was the best burger. I heard that they have a farm and they actually have some cows and they're just have all the cows restricted and there is a circumstance and criterias that they all just feed them with the best like
Yum yum.
yeah, so the
It's
cows
really yum yum.
gonna go yum yum. So yeah, okay, num num actually, not yum yum.
Ah,
Yeah,
num num.
num num.
Num num.
Yummy, but you can say num num. Yeah, yum yums,
Num, num.
but also correct,
Yum.
but people say num num, num num, num 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 num, like this.
Yeah.
It's not a word, it's a sound actually that
Yeah.
you produce. Num num, like this. Well, let me tell you, the fried chicken was finger licking good.
Finger licking good.
Yeah,
It
like
was
you're
so good. You liked
licking
it.
your fingers. Extremely delicious. Like finger licking good. So what's
Finger
your finger licking good food?
Always and forever pasta.
Pasta. Okay. But my finger licking, I mean, I just,
I like all the types of food, but
yeah,
pastas are
Pasta.
the best.
yeah. Okay. But you know,
Phoebe had a line in France. My pesto is the besto.
oh, I forgot about it.
The rhyme
I forget
Great.
about it. Yeah, my pesto
is the best.
is the best though. Yeah, actually good. So pasta for you, for me, I think lasagna. Yeah, my lasagna is just Havania. I don't know. Yesterday, Ellie, I was stuffing my face with pizza.
Stuffing my
Yeah,
face
I was
with a
stuffing my
pizza.
face with pizza. It means I was eating so quickly.
Oh,
Yeah, in American English, when you want to say, yeah, you eat like fast or quickly, say, I was stuffing my face with pizza or anything.
Stuffing my
my
face
face.
with pizza.
I mean, there's slangs. I mean, every expressions that I'm telling you today, there's slangs and there's kind of expressions that they use. I mean, American, like they use every day, but you don't find it in just different books. I mean, they're not going to teach you these kind of things. So if you use them, you will sound like a native American speaker. So please use them.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will.
So stuff your face with foods.
Stuff my face with pizza or things.
I mean,
Pasta.
I think we have like two kind of pizzas, like American pizzas or Italian. And
Italian is great.
yes, but I mean, when I eat Italian pizza, I mean, I love it. I mean, I prefer Italian pizza. It's the real pizza,
Yeah.
but I'm not gonna get like stuffed. I'm not gonna get full. I'm not gonna get still
That is
hungry
so
after eating
delicious.
Italian pizza. It's like appetizer for me. Like, yeah, for appetizer, it's good. I can eat
You should
Italian.
eat it slowly and just enjoy it.
Eating with wine or
Yeah,
something.
maybe.
But I don't drink wine. I have it, but
Why?
I just
It's good.
it's when you're alone. When I'm alone, when I drink wine, I feel like, hey, I got depressed actually. Yeah, because hey, I'm alone.
Yeah,
I'm drinking alone. Yeah, but when you're with your partner or with your friends,
Yeah, with
yeah,
someone else.
yeah,
you can
that's
drink.
good. You like drink and eat, and yeah, it feels
Talk,
good. Yeah.
yeah.
But
It's
when
good.
I drink alone, it reminds me, hey, you're
You're
all
alone.
alone. So yeah, it's a reminder actually for me. So I don't drink it. But yeah. Oh, what? Italian pizza, but American pizzas, it's like
No,
different
I
kind of
don't
foods,
like
you know? It's like, it's not pizza,
It's
it's
like
a
you are
snack.
eating
It's a
everything.
snack, you know? It's a snack. Yeah, for a snack, it's good. But,
Okay,
I mean,
but
for a pizza, no, it's not a pizza,
the
actually,
name
American
is pizza.
Yeah,
so
the name
it's
is
not
pizza,
good.
so. But, you know, we have different American pizzas. Like, we have Philadelphia pizza, we
Yeah,
have
but
like, yeah, but the type of pizza that you think that you're American, it's not the real American pizza, you know.
Yeah.
So there is that. Yesterday I ate a chocolate cake.
Okay.
That was to die for.
Oh,
Yeah.
die for.
Yeah, to die for, it means extremely delicious. Yeah. This
die
chocolate
for.
cake is to die for. This lasagna is to die for. I mean, I can die. You're sleepy?
No.
In my class? Come
No.
on. Don't yawn. Hey. Actually, I'm
It's
kidding.
a rumor.
Yeah, but it's because of today. I don't know why. I slept for 2 hours before our class, but I'm still sleepy. And I drank coffee, but I'm still sleepy. I don't know why. I don't have, like, because of today. I mean, some days they're like, like gloomy, and you just feel like this,
Yeah.
you know? So you just have to sleep and
For
do nothing.
24 hours.
Yes. I mean, after our
Complete
class,
24 hours.
after this session, I want to do that. I want to go to sleep. I want to go there. And I want to just hug my blanket and maybe drink some wine and watch my movie and do nothing, literally. So that's my favorite thing to do.
Yeah,
Nothing.
That's
like
not
doing nothing.
what we call sleep. That's resting.
Yeah, because I have lack
Your
of
mind
rest.
needs some
My
rest.
mind needs some rest, let me tell you. And yes, I have to do that for just maybe 2 or 3 days. And tomorrow I'm gonna go on a trip. I'm gonna travel. Like, it's not far, but still.
You really need a long sleep.
And that's not just for fun. That travel, it's for work. So yeah, I need to chill for maybe 7 or 8 days. Maybe I have.
7 or 8 days.
Yeah, and do
That's
nothing.
long.
That's long? No, come on. You're gonna miss our sessions. But yeah, I think, yeah, I need it
I
actually.
get tired of
Just long trips.
long resting.
So you need
One
to work.
day is enough.
You're
or 2
workaholic. Are you workaholic? I mean, you're
Yeah, yeah,
addicted to
yeah.
work.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm
Yeah.
not actually. I don't want to work actually. It's like what Joey said. I mean, there was an interview. He was saying that, hey, the best, my most favorite thing to do in life is doing nothing. Yeah.
I saw that.
Yeah, I want to do
great.
nothing. Yeah, he's my role model. I want to do nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the best, I
It's
think.
joy.
I am MJ, so I can do that. So doing nothing is the best, I think.
Okay.
Just eating and just watching,
sleeping.
sleeping and doing nothing.
Doing
The best. I want to have
For
like,
1 day or 2 days, yeah.
I want to have,
But 7 or
I would like, yeah, I would like to have a chef that cooks for me, maybe a cleaning lady that helps me just clean it out, or maybe,
literally you
Yes.
like to do nothing.
yes, like kings. I mean, maybe I meant to be a king, you know, a king of Egypt.
In another world.
Yeah, in another world, I would be like Ramesses
MJ
the second. Yeah, the second, MJ the second. So yeah, I said it because of your like yawn. If you haven't had yawn, I wouldn't go like telling
That
these
was
kind of
on your
things.
mind.
Yes, I mean I
But
yawned.
now you just express.
Yeah, okay, but I want it Actually, I do want it.
You really want it.
Yeah, I
I
really.
can see it in your eyes.
Yeah. I would be so happy if I
You were
had
so
that.
happy that I yawned,
Yeah.
that you could tell that.
Yeah, I can just reach in that point. And 2 years from now, you're gonna see me like,
A king.
yeah, king in my throne. Say, hey, have a class? No class for you. I'm a king now. Bye. Ellie, let's grab a bite before the dinner. No, God. Ellie, let's grab a bite before the movie.
Grab a bite.
Yeah, let's grab
A bite.
a bite. Let's eat something. Let's grab let's grab a bite.
Let's
Yeah.
grab a bite.
Yeah, it's like not a like feast, not a meal, but something like so quickly you just grab
Like
a bite.
a snack.
Yeah, like a snack, but not specifically snack,
Yeah.
but something so quickly.
Yeah.
So, but
Let's
sometimes,
grab a bite.
yeah, let's grab a bite together. Can you wolf down your burger so quickly?
Wolf down?
Yeah, can you wolf it down?
What does it mean?
Can you like eat very quickly?
Oh, eat very quickly. I don't like that word.
I can wolf my burger down in 10 seconds.
No.
Yeah,
I like to eat slowly, enjoy
Slowly?
my meal.
no,
Yeah.
not for me. I can wolf down my burger, but I just do that to have room to eat another food. Like one food, I always just order just 2 or 3 foods. Just
Why?
yeah, because I don't want to just eat one because I want to have options to have some, I don't know, extra. If I want to eat like another foods, I can just grab a bite,
Yeah.
you know. So wolf down, so eat very
Wolf
quickly. Wolf it, yeah, wolf. He wolfed down his burger in 1 minute. So yeah, wolf
Burger
down.
in 1 minute.
Yeah, just my friends, they're like
Wolves.
wolves,
Real wolves.
real pack of wolves. Yes, exactly. So, Ellie, that steak was a real Tommy pleaser.
Tommy, please.
Tommy pleaser. Yeah,
That's good.
it pleases my tummy.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it's like so delicious,
That my
that,
tummy like.
that your tummy liked it. Yeah, it's a tummy pleaser. You can say that. That is steak.
That was
Oh, I
tummy
love
pleaser.
steak also. Oh, I eat. I mean, I cook the best steaks.
That
I mean,
topic is past.
no, but
Forget it.
yeah, but I just tonight I'm gonna have some steak. Yeah,
Good.
like finger licking steak.
Finger licking.
Yeah, I mean steak. I used to have
Tommy pleasing steak.
yeah tummy pleasing steak. I used to like cook well done steak, but right these days
No.
I try just medium rare steaks.
Medium is great.
I think it's better. It's juicy.
Yeah.
Like you're gonna have the juice. Oh my god, it's so sexy. Like so delicious. Oh my god. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe my channel because you'll need it. And write me in the comments, what's your favorite food? What's your finger licking food that you like? What's your tummy pleaser food that you like? And also, just don't forget to, I told you, subscribe and watch other videos as well, because it's free English class. You'll need it. You're just gonna learn something. Thank you. Have a great day or night. Bye.